When savanna and jungle animals collide in a shared sandbox, the results are equal parts hilarious and heartwarming. Watch as lions learn patience from sloths, elephants trade digging tips with meerkats, and parrots teach zebras the art of colorful communication. This playful encounter reveals surprising lessons in adaptation, as cheetahs discover climbing isn't their strong suit, while monkeys realize sprinting across open sand is harder than it looks. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. They can also remember complex paths and locations. Monkeys are highly intelligent animals. They are known for their problem-solving skills, use of tools, and complex social behaviors. Monkeys are social animals and often live in groups called troops or tribes. These groups can range from a few individuals to several hundred, depending on the species. Monkeys face numerous threats, including habitat loss, hunting, and the pet trade. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings, rather than social interactions. Pangolins do not have teeth. Instead, they use their strong stomach muscles and small stones, gastroliths, they swallow to grind up their food. Pangolins are covered in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. These scales act as armor, protecting them from predators. Pangolins do not have teeth. Cats were revered in ancient Egypt and were often associated with the goddess Bastet. Killing a cat, even accidentally, was punishable by death. Cats are still used as pest controllers in places like farms, warehouses, and even the British Parliament. Cats have an exceptional sense of hearing and can detect ultrasonic sounds made by rodents. Their sense of smell is also 14 times stronger than humans. Mountain goats are incredible climbers, scaling near vertical cliffs with ease, thanks to their specialized hooves with rough pads for grip. Mountain goats crave minerals and will travel far to find salt deposits, even licking rocks to get essential nutrients. Mountain goats eat grasses, mosses, shrubs, and lichens. Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers. Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, bedding, and even their young. Alligators have excellent night vision and a highly developed sense of smell. They also have specialized sensory organs called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, on their jaws, which detect changes in water pressure and help them locate prey. Alligators have been featured in folklore, mythology, and popular culture. They are often seen as symbols of strength and resilience. Alligators play a crucial role in their ecosystems by creating Wolves are known for their complex social structures. They live in packs, which are typically family groups consisting of a dominant breeding pair, alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other related adults. Pack sizes can range from 6 to 10 members, but larger packs have been observed. Wolves communicate through a combination of vocalizations, Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts, making them the fastest land animal. Cheetahs rely more on stealth and speed rather than strength, as they aren't the strongest predators. Cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that provide extra grip for high-speed chases. Rabbits are highly social creatures and thrive in groups. In the wild, they live in colonies called warrens. Rabbits are herbivores and primarily eat grass, hay, leafy greens, and vegetables. Their diet is high in fiber, which is essential for their digestive health. Rabbits communicate through a variety of methods, including body language, vocalizations, Moose are found in the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in boreal and mixed deciduous forests, often near lakes, rivers, or wetlands. Moose are preyed upon by wolves, bears, and occasionally cougars. Calves are more vulnerable, but adult moose can defend themselves with powerful kicks. Moose play a crucial role in their ecosystems by influencing plant growth and providing food for predators. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes. Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Their lower jaws are not fused, enabling them to stretch widely. Snakes move in various ways, including serpentine, slithering, sidewinding, concertina. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds, 150 to 295 kilograms. Polar bears are native to the Arctic Circle, encompassing the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas, and surrounding land masses. They are found in countries like Canada, Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 2,300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms, 1,320 to 2,000 pounds. Rhinos are known for their horns, which are made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and nails. Some species have one horn, while others have two. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Elephants are known for their intelligence. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. They move between summer and winter grazing grounds to find food and avoid harsh weather. Reindeer have thick, double-layered coats that provide insulation against freezing temperatures. Their hollow hair traps air, making them highly buoyant and excellent swimmers. Reindeer are herbivores and primarily feed on lichens, especially reindeer moss, grasses, leaves. Through trial, error, and plenty of sandy mishaps, these wild neighbors prove that even the most different creatures can find common ground. Beyond the laughter, this cross-ecosystem playdate showcases nature's genius. Observe how giraffes' height becomes an advantage for spotting hidden treats, while jungle frogs demonstrate camouflage techniques to curious warthogs. The sandbox becomes a classroom where survival skills are swapped freely.